Welcome back to Mark's Outdoor Adventures. As you can see, the birds are plentiful today with all this weather coming in. This is another thing you can do with your kids. Get you a couple of feeders and suet feeders, and get some of those black sunflower seeds like I got in that feeder there. And the birds will come, and the kids will love watching the birds. They always want to know what each bird is, so you'll have to be able to tell them what the birds are. But anyway, this is another little tip on what you and your kids can do together, and they learn about wildlife at the same time.